Hi, my name is Jim Doyle, and I'm a solution consultant at Zone & Co., as well as a NetSuite certified admin and ERP consultant. And today, I'm really excited to show you our new Zone Reporting package built specifically for ZoneBilling. For those unfamiliar, Zone Reporting already provides pre-built PowerBi reporting for NetSuite. And now with this library, we're bringing in the ZAB custom records, such as subscription items, and charges, which provides a ton of benefits, especially when it comes to roll forward reporting. I'm actually going to start with charges. This charge amount dashboard shows me the composition of all my charges by different dimensions, all on one page. So I can see charges by customer, by charge item, subscription, rate plan name, or charge schedule. And I can also filter this by year. So I can see all of our charges from 2024, or I can select from the segments and see all the charges within each of these values. This also allows me to drill through. So if I hover over, I can drill through into the charge detail and see of that amount, what are those charges, 88 of them, and here's some detail, including a link back to NetSuite so I can drill all the way through into the charge record back in my ERP. Now we're going to move into our MRR and ARR roll forward reports, which are probably our most requested reports because of how hard it can be to calculate MRR in native NetSuite. This page displays MRR by customer, which totals about $350,000, along with the annualized amount. And then on the right, we can see in advance when that revenue is going to drop off. In this case, it's early 2024, so we can take strategic action proactively, start getting folks renewed or close enough new business here instead of waiting until we've driven off the cliff and now we're in react mode. This next report is one of the most requested reports in any of our libraries, and what it shows is a roll forward by customer of beginning balances of MRR, then any new business, upgrades, downgrades, cancellations, and the ending balance for that month. And then that amount rolls forward to the next month. And this is not just past as well. Because we're looking at the charges, we can look at future MRR by customer. And there's a ton of ways to put this data to work. For example, we can look at those different categories. So here I've got new upgrades, downgrades, and cancellations. And we have the customers sorted by the total amount. So I can see all my top contributors. And if I hit 2024, I can see these are the customers and the amounts slated to downgrade or cancel. This is my action plan. We need to start calling these now so we can get them renewed. I can look at that data in a different way as well. I can see all our customers and I can sort by category. So I can look at just our downgrades or just our cancellations. And if I look at just our cancellations, I can see here's that drop off in January. And in fact, here's the 44,000 that's associated with Classic Commerce, our largest cancellation. But this shows me a monthly view. So maybe I prioritize these other accounts, even though they're smaller, I have more time with Classic Commerce. Hopefully this provides a glimpse into how our Zone apps complement each other. In this case, Zone Reporting and ZoneBilling. But those are only two of a family of suite apps we offer to help with back office and financial automation. If you're interested in learning more, please visit zoneandco.com.